session we are going to learn the preparation of haloalkanes from hydrocarbons, and third one is from halogen exchange method. Now here first from hydrocarbons. Here hydrocarbons, those are the alkenes as well as the alkenes. First alkanes. In this alkane, the free radical halogenation of alkanes that lead to the formation of alkyl halides. For example, we are taking the butane as example. When the butane is halogenated with chlorine or bromine in presence of UV light, we will get 1-chlorobutane as well as the 2-chlorobutane. So these that isomeric product will get when the halogenation of alkanes. Okay. Second, by alkenes. So alkenes, whenever the alkenes adds, when these hydrogen halides adds to the alkenes, we will get again the alkyl halide. So here this alkenes is converted into alkyl halide by the addition of hydrogen halides like HBr, HCl. This reaction, the major product is according to the Markovnikov rule. So if in place of this reaction we are taking the peroxide as a catalyst, we will get the anti-Markovnikov product. So this is the addition of hydrogen halides to the alkenes. They also lead to the formation of alkyl halides. So these are the two methods from hydrocarbons, that is alkanes and the alkenes. Next, third important method, that is a halogen exchange method. So halogen exchange method, in which we have the two important named reactions. One is the Finkelstein reaction, another one is the Schwarz reaction. So Finkelstein reaction. In this Finkelstein reaction, when the alkyl halides are treated with sodium iodide in presence of a dry acetone, so we'll get the alkyl iodide. So this reaction is known as the Finkelstein reaction. So this the alkyl halides, there may be alkyl chloride or alkyl bromides. They easily can be displaces this halogen by the sodium iodide in presence of diacetone. We will get the alkyl iodides. So this method is a oftenly used for the preparation of alkyl iodides. In this, what happens? The halogen exchange will be takes place. This iodide is replaces these halogens, and this halogen is go back to that sodium, that will get the sodium halide. So this is a Finkelstein reaction. Next, second important halogen exchange method, that is a Schwarz reaction. So in this Schwarz reaction, what happens? Same thing. In this we are using that alkyl halide, that is a methyl bromide. We are taking the example here, that can be treated with the metallic fluorides. There may be AgF or HgF2 or a cobalt fluoride. These are the metallic fluorides. When these alkyl halides are treated with metallic fluoride in presence of a such halogen exchange reaction will be takes place, we will get the alkyl fluoride as a product. This AgF in this fluoride is replaces the Br. So this fluoride replaces the Br, will get that methyl fluoride as a product and AgBr. So this is a halogen exchange method, that is a Schwarz reaction. These are the two important major reactions in this preparation halogen exchange method.
Student, and we are discussing the preparation of alkyl halides or haloalkanes or alkyl halides. So in the last class we have discussed that alkyl halides are prepared from alcohols. In this session we are going to deal that the alkyl halides are prepared, that is the second method, from hydrocarbons. So these hydrocarbons or maybe alkanes or maybe alkenes. In these hydrocarbons, first we are going to talk about that from or by alkanes. By alkanes. So, happy Joanna, we are going to deal the free radical mechanism of alkanes. By alkanes, this involves the free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. So in this free radical mechanism of alkane, what happens? When the alkanes are halogenated, that is a bromination with bromine or chlorination with chlorine in presence of UV light, we will get a mixture of isomeric mono and polyhaloalkanes. So happy Joanna, when the alkanes may be any, for example, apple aromatic butane CS3 CH2 CH2 CH2. This is an alkane. So this alkane is treated with chlorination in presence of UV light. We'll get the CS3 CH2 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 Cl plus CS3 CH2 CH Cl CS3. So we'll get the mixture of isomeric products. We'll get the mixture of isomeric alkyl halides. So this is the preparation of alkyl halides from hydrocarbons by use of alkanes. Next, in this second we are going to talk about by alkenes. By alkenes. So how these alkenes can be used to prepare the haloalkanes. So when this alkene that containing carbon-carbon double bonds, these are treated with hydrogen halides. So when hydrogen halides adds to the alkene, we'll get a alkyl halides. We'll get the alkyl halide. So one this halogen goes to this carbon and one hydrogen goes to this carbon. So we'll get this is a alkyl halide. So this is a by alkenes. So this alkene, the major product in this alkenes, will get the Markovnikov product is the main product. Okay, next another one is third by alkenes. By alkenes again, in this addition of alkenes, addition of halogens. Addition of halogens. So addition of halogens. So when the alkenes CH2 double bond CH2. So any alkene we have to take when halogenation, that is a bromination, is carried in presence of a carbon tetrachloride solvent, will get a vicinal dibromides. Vicinal dibromides. So this is a vicinal dibromide. So this is also the alkyl halides. So these are the preparation of haloalkanes from hydrocarbons. First one is from alkenes, second one is the alkenes. Next, third method, that is a halogen exchange method. यहाँ पे जो थर्ड हमारा जो प्रिपरेशन है that is halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method. So in this halogen exchange method, what happens? These are the two important reactions in halogen exchange method. In this first, that is a Finkelstein reaction. This is important for exam point of view. Finkelstein reaction. So what happens in the Finkelstein reaction? So Finkelstein reaction, in this reaction we are treating the alkyl halides with sodium iodide in presence of a dry acetone. We will get a alkyl iodide plus sodium halide. So what happens in this Finkelstein reaction? The halogen exchange will takes place among these two reactants. Here this iodine, this displaces the halogen and this halogen goes to this sodium. So ये iodine इधर आता है and ये halogen इधर चले जाता है. तो this halogen exchange will be takes place. R के साथ आयोडाइड आ गया तो सोडियम के साथ हेलोजन जो है पे अटैच होता है. तो दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज अ Finkelstein reaction. Okay, so this is a very important reaction for exam point of view. This is a named reaction. So another one reaction, that is the Short's reaction. और एक रिएक्शन है यहाँ पे Short's reaction. यहाँ पे करेंगे हम. Second reaction important. Second important reaction, that is a Short's reaction. So this is also Short's reaction, also halogen exchange reaction. In this halogen exchange reaction, what happens? A alkyl halides. Here we are taking the methyl bromide as a example. These alkyl halides are treated with metallic fluoride such as AgF, Hg2F2, etc. So इस तरीके से जो है ना मेटालिक फ्लोराइड्स लेकर के अल्काइल हैलाइड्स को जो है ना हम यहाँ पे ट्रीट करें तो हमारे को जो है ना दिस फ्लोराइड displaces the Br and Br goes to this here. So the halogens exchange will takes place among the two reactants. So CH3 के साथ आता है यहाँ पे F plus AgBr plus AgBr. So this is a Short's reaction. यहाँ पे जो ना this is a Short's reaction होता है. So these are the preparation of haloalkanes from hydrocarbons and from halogen exchange method. In this, these both are important for exam point of view. Short's reaction as well as this Finkelstein reaction. Here X is equals to say Cl or maybe a